Hey, sixth graders, I am just trying to figure out this quick little video thing for you because I promised a video instruction just in case you forgot what I said because you have so many classes all day long. So for today, you're at home, you set the alarm, and you're up and you're ready to go. So for language arts, you need to pick one of the articles, either Pledge of Allegiance or School Now and Then. So this is what they look like. So that's the School Now and Then. Once you finish reading that, and I'm not going to record these because these are at a third grade level. I just took the level today, so these should be fine for you to read. And then you're going to answer the questions. And the questions look like this. And you're going to do that on the piece of paper. Remember, capitals and periods do count. And also remember, this is the first writing that you are giving me. So really, you need to put your best effort forth. Otherwise, I'm going to make you my little side project and I'm going to teach you good grammar. So if you don't want to be taught that on the side, then make sure that you show me what you know. Okay, and then finally, you are going to do like the book, head, and heart strategy. And we wrote that on the piece of paper, but I do have an example in Google Classroom if you kind of like forgot what the paper is and forgot where it's going, but it's those blue sheets that say BHH on the top. You use those questions to guide your response, okay? So here's kind of what it looks like on the BHH over here on this white sheet of paper. So you got what's in the book, what's in my head, and then down on the bottom, what's in my heart. Okay, so those are the three things that you have to do today. Make sure that you get outside. I hope it's nice outside. The sun's finally out here now on Wednesday afternoon or Wednesday night. So remember, being healthy is getting outside and getting some exercise and all those good things. So I'll show you my puppy. He's sleeping. He's been kind of sleeping all day. So, okay, I will see you guys on Monday. I had a great 2 days with you. I hope you did as well. I hope you're excited to be back at school.